Hi guys, hair tip of the day for hair growth. So if you guys have the Olaplex system, I guarantee you're using the 6 and 7 wrong. Olaplex number 6 is the Bond Smoother, and Olaplex number 7 is the Bond Oil, and I don't use them separately ever. I mix them together in my palm. So basically, whenever I get home from work or I'm home and just chilling, I'm doing something to improve my hair health. So I'll take a little dime of that and the oil. So you can see both. And I mix them together and it creates the best consistency. And I feel like it's most effective. Like I'll put it all over, even on my ends, just through my braid. I just got home from work. I don't even care if my hair looks greasy. It's improving my hair health. And mixing them together just creates the best consistency. So if you're going to invest in a repair product after the shower, anything Olaplex is an amazing purchase. And these two are great together. Bye.